Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your host Ray. Today's video is once again another review of the HO scale Thunderbolt Siren kit produced by Radford Cliff and Miles. I need to stop doing this, man. Today's video is the review of the Thunderbolt and this building here, which I'm going to do a very brief review before I start the Siren, because the Siren is kind of the main course here. I want to say this building is really, really big, so I can't even fit it in my display case where I do store my stuff. So, yeah. This building is the Walther's railcar restoration and charter building. I figured I'd just buy it at my hobby store because it looked pretty cool, and I decided to mount a Siren on it. The Siren is based off of one that exists in real life. I will do some history on that one at the end of the video. But about the building, it's a pretty simple build. I do like it. It's very consistent, easy to build. Painting was a simple process. Nothing bad I have to say about it, really. Okay, sorry for the constant annoying sound that it makes when I rotate it. Nothing too inconsistent. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy the building. Now let's go over the Siren. This Siren is the Thunderbolt Siren kit from Radford Cliff and Models. It is in HO scale. This particular Siren is based off of a Thunderbolt 1000 that exists in the city of Evanston, Illinois. For more history on it, go skip to the end of the video, but if you still want to watch the model review portion, go right ahead and stay. The wires here that are supposed to hold up the Siren are made from burnt plastic parts. I set the plastic on fire and pull it apart. Make sure you know what you're doing when you do that, because there is a risk that you do burn yourself. What else? Oh my god, I'm already forgetting. Please note, it is very, very, very difficult to mount these wires from the Siren to the building. So make sure you know what you're doing and have at least some prior experience before you screw something over like I did the first time I tried doing this. I do have a video where I do fully assemble the Siren, which includes mounting, and doing that video is in the description. So go check that out if you want to. I'll get into more specifics now. This is the Siren head, nothing too special about it. It does rotate, but at a very, very slow rate because of paint and stuff, and I don't want to mess around with it too much because from past experience I know I'm going to break something. In the horn, you do see that the metal mesh screen that is provided to you in the Thunderbolt Siren kit is not included. This is actually cut up staples to resemble the screen on the real thing. Here is a civil defense logo that I did kind of botch. Oh god, I almost break this thing. Jeez. Here's a civil defense logo that I did almost kind of botch, but it's alright. I'm gonna rotate the building around to see the other side of the Siren. Here's the other side of the Siren. Here's a better civil defense logo, at least. Not much to see here. It's just a different angle. I didn't include the ID badge on the rotator that I usually do because there is no record. Well, there is no confirmed pictures of the ID badge being on the rotator. Now let's move down lower on the Siren. This gray wire here is burnt plastic once again. It's supposed to resemble conduit wires that provide power to the Siren. You can see the Siren head conduit wire travels down the air compressor pipe, which is called the blower pipe. Down here, over this way onto the building, it curves around, and let me rotate this. And move the camera once again. Sorry about that. Curves around and goes into the RCM cabinet. And then here's the blower wire as well. Not much to do with the blower pipe, so let's go over the blower. The blower is this air compressor box here, which is included in the kit, and let me try and zoom in. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't do any weathering on the Siren because I have no idea what the air compressor looks like on the real thing. I do imagine that it is somewhat weathered, but I just figured, you know what, screw it, I don't want to. So yeah, that's what that looks like there. Let me show you the other side. Yep, that's the other side. I did try doing the Thunderbolt logo as best as I could, although it did not turn out as good as I wanted it to. Down for the control here, let me move the camera. Here is the control box job. This is the RCM oh my god, I keep hitting the camera. Here's the RCM cabinet and the motor starter / power disconnect. I have no idea what I did with that, so yeah, just give me a break on that. Once again, more conduit wires. You can see that some of the conduit does not come in contact with the control boxes. That's because I just simply couldn't do it, so yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Siren. Wow, I actually went over that pretty fast. That is the end of the model review portion of this video. If you do not want to see the history portion of this video, then feel free to leave. Thanks for watching. Be sure to read the description because there are links to where to buy the building, the Siren, and links to my full assembly of the Siren itself. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or side remarks, please feel free to drop them down below. I'll try and help you as soon as time allows me to. Now I will do the history phase of the Siren. This Siren is located at 1918 Lake Street on top of the ETHS power plant next to Evanston Township High School, which the acronym for that is ETHS. This Siren in particular was manufactured and installed in 1954, and it was refurbished sometime in the 1980s, and it's been in its current position since then. It was shut off in November of 2019 due to many mechanical issues such as a malfunctioning radio and inoperable air compressor. It will be removed shortly in later January 2020. This one does not, well, earlier in the video I pointed out that this one does not have an ID badge on the rotator. That's because the rotator enclosure is not the original that was equipped on this Thunderbolt. The rotator enclosure was replaced at some point, likely due to the rotator enclosure being too weathered or, just too weathered to be recovered while it was being refurbished. My first time seeing the Siren was in April of 2019. I just passed by it real quick on my trip to Fire Station 3 to record the Siren over there. And I have not heard the Siren operate at all, and I will not hear it operate ever because it has been shut off. I have visited the Siren twice, once just to take pictures with my friend, and twice the second time was to confirm that it was still up and active, up on the building that it was on, because my friend thought it was gone for a few minutes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I have to cut this video out pretty quick because I'm wasting a lot of your time. Once again, as I said earlier, links to buy everything are in the description. Questions, comments, concerns, feel free to drop them down below. I'll try and help you as soon as possible, and yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.